The development of fully automated manufacturing systems dates to the latter half of the 20th century. Fast forward to today, and automation has drastically changed the look and feel of today's manufacturing environments. Automated processes are operating at a speed and level of reliability that could only be imagined in years past. With automated systems, there is still a need for high-intensity illumination for systems like conveyor lines, inspection lines, vision systems, and other traditional manufacturing methods. Waldman Lighting has continually led the way in lighting these environments. We provide several products that answer the demands of today's current automated manufacturing systems. Let's have a look at some of those lights. Waldman Lighting's Workbench system luminaires attach to production workstations overhead or with flexible arm solutions. We incorporate state-of-the-art technology and energy-saving efficiency to increase employee satisfaction as well as productivity. Waldman's Workbench lights provide the right light where it's needed for applications including workshops, laboratory, automated manufacturing, and traditional manufacturing methods. Waldman Lighting's LED-mounted workstation system light is an ideal solution for manufacturing, assembly, quality control, metalworking, or any other area where quality lighting is desired. 4 lengths of 2, 3, 4, and 5 feet match any workspace that you may need to illuminate. A 5000 K color temperature with a high CRI value of greater than 80 offers bright glare-free light for visual clarity. 50,000 hours of maintenance-free LED lighting, which means no need for relamping. All models are designed with through wiring in mind. Strong anodized aluminum housing, sealed to protect the inner workings from dust or any moisture in the environment, and a unique feature that allows tools to be suspended from the fixture with weights up to 200 pounds.